Okay, we got this thing opened up. There was like 5 or 6 screws on the bottom. And here's the belt on the inside. Now you saw that that thing was moving pretty good. Looked like there was no really issues. But if you look at this belt, you can see it's just all this little black stuff right here is part of the belt that's coming apart just from sitting and being old and brittle. So it's actually coming apart inside of here, starting to tear up. You can even see some of this crumbs and stuff down in here where it's falling apart. It's going to get it down inside this motor. So it's just going to cause you problems if you try to use it right away. Best thing to do is just change the belt out. And the belt for this one is the 1.25 inch like we used on a couple of the other ones. It says right there for the hockey practice. And I'll put the link to the parts from the Department 56 website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this belt off. You can't really see it, but it is kind of distorted a little bit. But it's really, you can feel it starting to be very brittle. The belt is hard, so it's just going to basically shred to pieces. So that's going to go in the trash. We'll take a little bit of paper towel here and just kind of dust this stuff off. Try and get some of this crud off of this motor. Another thing you can do is just get an old paintbrush, just brush some of that crud out of there, get it off of the pulley wheels. And here's the new belt, nice round, ready to go. You'll notice here on some of these gears, you can kind of see it in here. There's that lubricant I was talking about before. It's like a plastic lubricant for plastic gears. So try not to get that on the belt. And we'll just basically put that belt right on there and wrap it around. Hard to do one-handed. Yeah. It's on the track, and that's it. So that's how you put the belt in for the hockey practice. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks.